Kelly, the real estate ninja here. I'm with Bryan Clark, one of my ninja marketing buddies. And here is the question. If you guys on January 15th of 2022 have yet to sit down and plan your marketing year out, your real estate business this year, you're behind the 8 ball. Bryan, tell us why.
Absolutely, you guys. So I'm Bryan Clark, the founder of Be Known Advertising, Leads To R.O.I. Most importantly, I'm an ex-Zillow employee that's worked with thousands and thousands of agents all around the nation, helping them grow their business. The top agents in every marketplace starts planning their next year marketing budget in October of the previous year. Being that it's January 15th, you guys are already behind the 8 ball when it comes to getting your marketing dialed in and rolling for 2022. Now, we have a system that we have been using for a couple of years that has helped agents predictably scale their business by utilizing marketing and a sales system so that you can drive consistency home and grow your commissions. So what we'd like to do is offer you guys an opportunity to join us in our live training that we're going to be doing on Monday at 11 a.m. PST. That's going to be 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, so that you guys can get rocking and rolling and really take 2022 by storm. And the good thing is, by utilizing this system, it's going to get you right in pace with the other agents that already started their marketing. So we look forward to seeing you on Monday, 11 a.m. PST.
And guys, look for the link. It'll either be above the video or below the video. Join us, get yourself ready for 2022, gain some serious ninja marketing knowledge, and guys, get yourself the closings you want this year. If you don't plan ahead, you're literally planning to fail. We look forward to seeing you on this important marketing meeting.